Hello, good morning. Today we are going to be looking at fractions. So for this topic, it's a bit tricky and I would love you to pay attention because when I'm done solving the examples, you will solve the classwork. And I hope you understand it so that you can easily solve the classwork. Now the question says, Rume lost 1/4 of her money and had 210 naira left. How much had she at first? Now she lost a certain two things are in play here. She lost a fraction of her money, but they now told us the amount that is left. And they said we should find out the total money she had at first. It's a bit tricky because the fraction does not match the amount. Do you understand that? Because at this point, you see that they told us the fraction of what she lost and told us the amount that she had left. These are two different things. So how do we marry this? We need to know the fraction and the amount of one side. Now we know we have two sides, what she lost, what she has left. Do you get that? So we know the fraction of what she lost and the amount she has left, but we need to know both fraction and amount of one side to allow us solve this. So what she lost, 1/4 fraction. Now what she has left, 210 naira. We need to know both fraction and amount of either what she lost or what she has left. We don't know the amount that she lost. We only know the fraction that she lost. But we know the amount she has left. We don't know the fraction she has left, but we can easily find that. So that is where we're going to start from. If she lost 1/4 fraction, total fraction is 1. Total fraction is one whole number. So how do we get the fraction that she has left? Total fraction is 1 minus the fraction that she lost. Since we are using a whole number 1 to subtract a fraction, we just have to change this one into a fraction. To get an easy fraction, what do? We convert this 1 into a fraction that has this denominator as both numerator and denominator. What does that mean? We change our 1 into 4/4 and subtract 1/4 from it. How do we do that? Because it has the same denominator, we just retain the same denominator. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. That means that the fraction she has left is 3/4. Now we have both the fraction she has left and the amount she has left. How then do we solve this? To find her total money is equal to 3/4. This is where we now use our normal fraction sense. 3/4 of her total money is 210. Again, let's go. 3/4 of her total money, because 3/4 is the fraction she has left. And they told us that 210 is the amount she has left. So 3/4 of her total money is 210 naira. So 3/4 of, in mathematics, is times. Her total money, we don't know it. So let us call it x is equal to 210. Now, x is equal to 210 over 1 times 4/3. 3 divide itself 1. 3 divide 21, 7, 0. 70 times 4 is equal to 280 naira. That means that the total money she had initially was 280 naira. Did you get that? If you did, pause this video and solve this classwork. When you're done with solving the classwork, you can unpause the video and watch my solution of the classwork and confirm if you got it. Now, DK spent 3/5 of his money on snacks and he had 180 naira left. How much did he have at first? This is a similar question. Now, snacks, we know that he spent 3/5 of his money on snacks and he had What he had left is 180. This is a fraction, this is an amount. We need to have a fraction of both so that we can solve for this. So 1 minus 3 over 5 is the same thing as 5 over 5, because the denominator here is 5. We can change our 1 to 5, minus 3 over 5, which will give us 2 over 5. So this fraction now is 2 over 5 that is left. So total money is equal to 2 over 5 of a certain amount is equal to 180. So 2 over, let's go this way, x is equal to 180 times 5 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 90. 90 times 5 is equal to 450 naira. So the total money he started with is 450 naira. Did you get that? If you did, congratulations. If you did not, please watch it again so that you understand better. Thank you.